Good afternoon, sir. We are the Group 2. We are here to present our mini research investigating patterns in renewable energy generation to forecast output and identify seasonal trends. Here are the overview, introduction, objectives, data description, data cleaning and pre-processing, exploratory data analysis, key findings and insights, conclusions, and recommendations.
Countries are expanding renewable energy to combat climate change and energy crisis due to its low emissions. While capacity is rising efficiency, how well capacity converts to power varies. This study examines renewable power generation efficiency, or PGE, using capacity and electricity output data and explores factors like resources, technology, and policy across countries and time.
So this research is guided by the following key objectives. First, to evaluate the power generation efficiency or PGE of solar wind energy across 36 countries including Philippines from 2009 to 2018. Second, to identify temporal patterns and seasonal trends in renewable energy output using historical data. Last, to apply software efficiency data development analysis or DEE and the Malmquist index to measure relative performance and efficiency changes over time.
Data description. The study uses the 2009 to 2018 data from 36 countries sourced from BP, IEA, World Bank, OECD, and national yearbooks. It includes installed capacity, gigawatts, hydro, wind, solar, biomass, geothermal, generation. There are what are total renewable output indicators, GDP per capita, carbon emissions, electricity mix, and more.
Data cleaning and pre-processing. Data was merged and standardized using Excel. Countries with major data gaps were included. Minor gaps were filled via interpolation or mean substitution. Outliers were handled using G-scores and winsorization. Variables were normalized or log-term transformed as needed. Final validation included cross-checking sources and reviewing statistics for accuracy.
Exploratory data analysis. Trends show rising global renewable capacity, with solar and wind growing fastest. India had the most consistent efficiency. China separated due to rapid expansion. GDP or gross domestic product per capita, carbon emissions, and industrial activity correlated strongly with efficiency. Developed countries showed variable results, while emerging economies struggled with integration. Random forest highlighted carbon emissions, industrial structure, and GDP as key drivers of efficiency. Basically, historical data analysis said that solar and wind energy grew the fastest around the world. India stayed the most efficient, while China's efficiency changed due to the fast growth. And the main things that affected efficiency were carbon emissions, type of industry, and GDP or the gross domestic product.
Key findings and insights. Renewable energy capacity has grown globally, but efficiency varies widely between countries. Installed capacity alone doesn't ensure better performance. Effective use is key. Only 42% of countries improved efficiency over the decade, with carbon emissions, industrial structure, energy mix, and GDP per capita being the main factors influencing performance. While emerging economies experiencing rapid growth, they face challenges in infrastructure and integration. Technological advances sometimes fail to boost efficiency due to poor implementation.
Conclusion and recommendations. Conclusion: global renewable energy use is growing, but efficiency in turning capacity into power varies but widely. More capacity does not guarantee better performance. Effective integration is key. Only 42% of countries improve efficiency over 10 years. Industrial structure, emissions, and energy mix strongly impact efficiency. Technology alone does not ensure gains and can reduce efficiency if poorly applied. Recommendation: align policies, infrastructure, and investments to maximize capacity use. Invest in adaptive, grid-responsive technologies. Develop real-time monitoring and data systems. Support infrastructure and financing in developing regions to close the gap. Future research should focus on detailed seasonal patterns and real-time data using Internet of Things and smart grids.
And this is where our presentation ends. That's all. Thank you.